Good afternoon. I have a Marks KIK lock received from J.D. Hogg. The lock does work. This is the bidding on the key. Kind of drastic. Okay, we're locked up. We're going to use top of the keyway and use this pick. This is about a 12,000th pick. Okay, there's a little bit on 6, 5, okay, there's 2, 1, a little bit on 4, a little bit on 3, let's go to the back again. Okay, getting a little feedback on 1, I believe. I don't think number 1's ready. Let's go to the back again. Okay, a little bit more on 4, 3, okay, a little bit on 1, okay, and it's open on pin 4, I believe. Alright, let's open her up, look at the pins, see what JD put in this lock. Okay, I have a key to it, so let's lock it back up till I get the clip off. Okay. Alright, let's see if we can slide this out without messing up everything. Smooth as you know what. Okay, let's check our bottom pins. Of course, you know what JD does, they're all going to be serrated. The plug is going to be threaded. The Bible's going to be threaded. Okay, all the bottom pins are serrated. We'll look real close at them in just a moment. Okay, you can see the threading in the plug. You could even feel it when I was picking the lock open. Alright, let's check our top pins. Okay, we'll look at them real close in just a moment. I'm going to need the camera to be able to tell what they are. Okay, and see if you can see inside of this. It is threaded also. You can see it down beside those springs. Because he's been into the top. Let me get those springs out so we can look at it. Okay, let's look at the okay, there's the threading in every chamber. Alright, let's look at these bottom pins now, and key pins, or top pins and key pins. Okay, looks like a serrated spool on number 1, serrated pin on number 2, serrated on number 3, and a serrated spool on number 4. Looks like a serrated pin on number 5 and a serrated spool on number 6. Okay, that's what we have in this lock of JD's today. JD, I appreciate you sending me this lock. Thank you very much. And everyone out there, have a good day. And please do not do anything illegal. And please stay out of trouble. It's not worth getting into trouble. Just keep everything legal. Alright, thank you very much. Appreciate it.